Hello guys, last time we have covered the inguinal canal. Now we will cover some protective mechanisms which prevent hernia or in abnormal protrusion. Protrusion of any organ, abnormal normal protrusion of any organ. In short, hernia. We will next cover hernia. So first we cover some important mechanisms and diaphragm. Done. So first cover some mechanisms. Done. So four mechanisms. There are four mechanisms. First is flap valve mechanism. Basically, these are the mechanisms which closes the inguinal canal when some abnormal organ passes from this and try to reach the lower pelvis region from inguinal canal. Basically, just क्या करेंगे, कोई भी पार्ट जो इंटेस्टाइन वो उससे पास करने की कोशिश करेगा इंगुइनल कैनाल से, तो उसको ब्लॉक करेगा. मींस इट प्रिवेंट्स हर्निया. व्हाट इज हर्निया? जस्ट डेफिनेशन देख लेते हैं. हर्निया है protrusion of organ through normal or abnormal opening. Done. It is called hernia. So it is a clinical condition or mainly clinical condition or a physical hernia also present, but it is not harmful. Physiological hernia which present normal in body, but if it present abnormally, so it causes many problems and many things. That abnormal problems होंगी, intestine होंगी and many things. Next cover. So first we cover this section next. This part next. First, what are the mechanisms which prevent the hernia? बेसिकली इंगुइनल कैनाल से पास होना है और अगर हम वहां से कैनाल को क्लोज कर देंगे हम किसी तरीके से, तो सीधी बात है हर्निया नहीं होगा. कोई ऑर्गन कैनाल से पास करके दूसरी ओपनिंग में नहीं जाएगा जहां से नहीं जाना. बेसिकली डन. बेसिकली वी प्रिवेंट द एंट्री ऑफ ऑर्गन फ्रॉम वन पार्ट टू अनदर, वन सेक्शन टू अनदर ओपनिंग थ्रू इंगुइनल कैनाल इफ वी क्लोज द इंगुइनल कैनाल. सो फर्स्ट इन फ्लैप वेल मैकेनिज्म. सेकंड है हमारे पास शटर मैकेनिज्म. डन. थर्ड है हमारे पास बॉल वेल मैकेनिज्म. एंड फोर्थ इज स्लिट वेल मैकेनिज्म. These are the mechanisms which closes the inguinal canal by different means. Done. So, what are the mechanisms? What is flap well mechanism? We know the inguinal canal is present inferior obliquely. Let's say this is a deep inguinal ring and this is superficial inguinal. So inguinal canal present like this. If any organ, let's say intestine canal, try to pass from the inguinal canal like this, it forces the inguinal canal and this is part of intestine. When it try to enter the inguinal canal, but sometimes also it pushes the inguinal canal posterior wall. This is posterior wall. It pushes the posterior wall and try to pass the inguinal canal. So what happens? When posterior wall is pushes outward, so it closes to the anterior wall and try and completely close the canal. Posterior wall come. Posterior wall come closer to anterior wall. Basically this thing. If any intestine, canal, jejunum, and let's say many parts, colon वगैरह, if it try to enter the inguinal canal, so they also pushes the inguinal canal posterior wall, because all present posteriorly, so they also present posteriorly of the inguinal canal and try to enter the inguinal canal. So they pushes the posterior wall, which results posterior wall come in contact with anterior wall, and closes. This is the canal. Then so what happened? Hernia prevent. This organ cannot passes from the inguinal canal. Then organ entry क्या हो गई? Stop हो गई. Organ entry prevent. Stop. Then so this is flap well mechanism. It occurs due to oblique presence of obliquely presence of inguinal canal. Then now come to the second mechanism. Second mechanism is shutter mechanism. We know the shutter, what happens? Shutter up and down होते हैं. तो क्या होगा? If let's say this canal we draw horizontally, not horizontally present. If any organ again try to pass from this, then again same thing happen. What? This time we know in one important one, remember, in anterior wall, posterior wall and roof there is a common muscle present called internal oblique, which present in anterior, posterior and roof. So it is present in all three parts, three sections. Then so what happened? When any organ tried to pass from the canal, so what happened? The shutter. We know that common conjoint tension present in internal oblique and transverse abdominis, both present in roof of the inguinal canal. So they touches the floor of the inguinal canal. Let's say shutter type. They go down like this. Then they go down like this and close the again inguinal canal. So roof formed by external oblique and transverse abdominis touches floor and hernia prevent. Then hernia prevent. Next is ball valve mechanism. Now come to the ball valve mechanism. We know the testis passes from the inguinal canal and descend in scrotum. So testis is like ball. Here important point, testis passes from inguinal canal to scrotum. So testis is like ball. We know big balls are present. It is like balls. When any organ, anything passes from the inguinal canal, the testis also pushes forward or anything happen. So what happens? The ductus differential, which connects the testis, try to push away, to push upward. What happened? They testis, if touches the, what happened? It touches the superficial inguinal ring. Touches the superficial ring. So what happened? It closes the superficial inguinal ring, because ring is present like this. This is ring and this is testis. So what happened? And this is ductus differential and all. So when anything happens, when testis come close to the superficial inguinal ring, it closes the inguinal ring. So what happened? No structure enter the inguinal canal and no pass reach the inguinal canal. Not enter, not exit. Both stop because testis prevent. Testis just closes to the superficial inguinal ring and closes them. When any organ try to reach in scrotum through inguinal canal or hernia, we know if any organ occurs, so hernia, so it also presents hernia. How? The testis help in closing the inguinal canal, ball वे mechanism, just ball के present होगी और वो just close कर देंगे उसे. This is ring. This is ring. This is testis. That. This is the third mechanism which prevents the hernia. And the last mechanism is slit valve mechanism. What is slit valve mechanism? We know here superficial inguinal ring help in preventing hernia. What happened? We know the superficial inguinal ring attachments. Let's say this is the pubic bone. Then this is pubic tubercle. This is pubic tubercle and pubic. Here, slit valve. Slit valve. ठीक है? Mechanical. What happened? We know this is pubic crest. Here is pubic tubercle present and a line present called pubic crest on superior side, superiorly. Then these are the things. So in superficial inguinal present are canal present like this. Superficial inguinal ring. This. It has two curves and has triangular in shape. Right and left, two parts. Done. So this is it is triangular in shape. Triangular in shape. And these are the epineuroses, means tendons. Epineuroses. These are epineuroses. Left crus and right crus. Left crus and right crus. Just simple triangular part. Just triangular margin. Left margin or right margin. Just margins. Done. Left margin and right margin. Just we can say. No left right. मान सकते हैं. Depend करेगा which on which side, left canal or right canal. Then not fixed. If we say so, this is the mainly right. So this is right canal. Why right canal? Because remember pubic tubercle presents slightly laterally. So this is lateral. Laterally we can say from this front side strip. This is lateral side only. This is lateral and this is medial. So medially canal present. So from this, so this is right canal. So right canal, right margin, left margin of superficial inguinal ring, triangular in shape. And what happened when any organ, same thing, if any organ passes from this, how did it prevent? It stretches because muscles also stretches in anterior abdominal wall. Muscles stretches muscles of abdominal wall wall stretch करेंगे and closes the canal. Then again canal closes the inguinal ring, superficial inguinal ring, पूरा लिखो superficial inguinal ring. So this is the fourth mechanism which prevent hernia. What is abnormal opening? Abnormal opening. Just simple entry है, किसी भी ऑर्गन की एंट्री होना किसी सेक्शन से, किसी ओपनिंग से, किसी ऑर्गन की एंट्री होना किसी दूसरे सेगमेंट में, उसको हम ये बोलते हैं जस्ट एंट्री ऑफ ऑर्गन फ्रॉम वन ओपनिंग वन इन वन कैविटी टू अनदर, फ्रॉम वन कैविटी टू अनदर थ्रू ओपनिंग, entry of any organ through any opening from one opening to one canal to another, one section to another, just one cavity. ठीक है, just one and entry of organ from one cavity. We know organs present in cavity. Entry of organ through opening from one cavity to another. एक कैविटी से दूसरी कैविटी में जाना, cavity to other. Then this is called hernia. Just simple term. It is a clinical condition. So we must prevent this. And when hernia occur, when these mechanisms fail. If these mechanisms fail, so organ entry occur and hernia occurs. What happened? That if in scrotum, sometimes large intestine colon part enter and reaches the scrotum. So in scrotal pain and testicular problems occur. So it is very dangerous. This is not inguinal ring. Done. So note this. So then we will cover some muscles of the abdominal wall. Remember, we have covered the muscles of the anterior abdominal wall last time. So now we will cover the muscles of the posterior abdominal walls. Done. So posterior walls muscles are not much difficult, easy. There are some only few muscles in posterior abdominal wall, big muscles. Done. So posterior abdominal wall. Posterior abdominal wall muscles. Basically we will cover the muscles first. Done. So if we remove the vertebra, sternum, any organ visceral all present, if we remove all viscera, so first what we will see? The vertebra, we know five vertebrae present in lumbar region, abdominal, L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. So these are the vertebrae and here and below the ilium bone, pelvic bone. we know laterally a transverse process present, and above, we know above there are two ribs. We know 11th and 12th ribs are not reaches the sternum level. So these also form some important attachments. So we can draw here. This is 12th rib. 12th rib is important. 12th rib. Done. So it is important. 12th rib internal border. So these are the some things. Up, what are the muscles? The first, and we know lower side thigh present, femur bone. The femur bone present. Both sides. So the first muscle is psoas major muscle. It take origin. Origin is drawn from this. This is origin. Take origin here, here, here. It take origin from all transverse process of lumbar vertebra, all 5 lumbar vertebra. Take origin and go to the, and remember one thing, here is inguinal ligament also present. Inguinal ligament, inguinal canal. So first what happened, this muscle go behind from inguinal ligament, inguinal canal, inside, posteriorly, and attaches to a lesser trochanter of femur, posteriorly. Psoas major go posterior to inguinal ligament, inguinal canal, attaches. This is insertion. This is insertion. Here is origin. Insertion is written. Insertion. Lesser trochanter of femur. Then, and origin. This is called psoas major. Origin. Transverse process of all five lumbar vertebra. Done. Then next, just lateral to this, a muscle present. Again, a muscle present which is called this is, remember, this is muscle, but we draw from different color. This is muscle, black muscle present lateral to psoas major and go to the this, like this. Done. Take attachment from this and this. So this muscle is called quadratus lumborum. This muscle is called quadratus lumborum. Again, insertion origin. Remember, we draw. This is origin, and all this blue part, and this is. These are the insertions. Origin, क्या क्या origin होंगे? Transverse process of L5 and insertion again transverse process of L1 to L4 and lower border of T12 rib. 12 rib बोल सकते हैं just. These are the insertions. So this is quadratus lumborum muscle. Again, here we know the bone present. And what bone called? This is called ilium bone. Ilium, I-L-I-U-M, ilium bone. And here a cavity present called iliac fossa. Iliac fossa. A cavity present on just iliac bone. Iliac fossa. A muscle take origin from here and go again behind the inguinal ligament and touches same the lesser trochanter. We draw from blue mark. Take origin from this it goes behind the inguinal ligament. Important this point. This is the inguinal ligament behind, and again continue as attaches to lesser trochanter. Here this is the insertion, and here this is the origin of muscle. This muscle, and what muscle is called? This muscle is called iliacus muscle. Iliacus muscle. Presenting iliac fossa. Remember, the psoas major muscle also go to the lesser trochanter insertion, and this muscle also go to the insertion at lesser trochanter. So these form the common tendon, which is called iliopsoas tendon. First insertion. Origin what? Iliac fossa. Iliac fossa. Simple. Iliac fossa. And insertion is important. Insertion is same lesser trochanter of femur. This is called insertion. Lesser trochanter. Done. So these and this, they form common tendon called iliopsoas tendon. Iliopsoas tendon. Done. So these are 4 muscles of abdomen. 3. 1, 2, 3. And again the 4th muscle also present. The 4th muscle present laterally. We draw lateral muscle here. Laterally, again lateral to this quadratus lumborum. Again 4th muscle present. We draw from blue marker. This muscle is called transverse abdominis. Remember, transverse abdominis take origin from behind what fascia? Fascia lumbo, which is take origin from fascia which is present in backside called transverse lumbar fascia. Transverse lumbar fascia. So it take origin and again go in the iliac crest. Done. Here remember again, this part is origin and this part is insertion. It also present laterally. We know this is transverse abdominis. Thoracolumbar fascia. Remember, it takes origin from thoracolumbar fascia, which is present posteriorly. So this is origin part and this is insertion part, thoracolumbar fascia. And from this lower border of 12th rib हमने notice किया था. This muscle is called, इसको इधर लिख देते हैं. इधर नोट करें. Done. This is called transverse abdominis. Done. Transverse abdominis. And what happened? We know this origin and insertion of this muscle last time we have covered. But remember, origin is take thoracolumbar fascia. Lumbar fascia, thoracolumbar fascia. This is thoracolumbar fascia origin. Then lower six ribs, internal side of lower border of six ribs, lower border of lower six ribs. Six ribs. Done. And iliac and lateral one third of anterior part of iliac crest, anterior iliac crest. Iliac crest. Then these are the three origins of muscle. And insertion, we take insertions. Insertions, what? The xiphoid process, linea alba, again pubic crest, the linea alba, pubic crest, and these are the insertions. What? Linea alba, xiphoid process, pectinate line, pubic crest, same thing. Pectinate line, pubic crest. Done. These are the insertions. So these are the posterior wall abdominal muscles. Basically, four muscles present there. The psoas major take origin from transverse process of L1 to L5 vertebrae and go to the lesser trochanter of femur behind the inguinal ligament. This is inguinal ligament. The second muscle is quadratus lumborum muscle. So quadratus lumborum muscle take origin from L5 transverse process of vertebra and go above. Insertion take transverse process of L1 to L4 vertebra and lower border of T12 rib. Quadratus lumborum go from downward to upward. Remember, downward to upward go quadratus lumborum. So take origin from L5 and above lower border of 12 rib and 4 vertebrae of lumbar, L1, L2, L3 and 4. Done. Then iliacus muscle presenting iliac fossa of ilium bone and go to the lesser trochanter same as psoas major and form the common tendon which is called iliopsoas tendon. This also go behind the inguinal ligament. Then fourth muscle is transverse abdominis muscle, same which is muscle also muscle of anterior abdominal wall, same origin and same insertion because it also present posteriorly also. Take origin from thoracolumbar fascia which is present again posterior wall in posterior wall. We'll cover next. So these are the four muscles. Four muscles what? Iliacus, transverse abdominis, quadratus lumborum and psoas major. Psoas major. Psoas major. Here is psoas major. Major. Done. Psoas major. Remember, sometimes a psoas minor also present, but sometimes it also absent. It just present anterior to psoas major. Same origin, same type pattern. But it would not do behind the inguinal ligament. It may be absent also. Done. Not much present. Not much role in body movement. But sometimes psoas minor also present. Anterior to psoas major. Done. These are the four muscles. Note. And insertion origin, remember, psoas major again, all transverse process L5 vertebra, insertion is lesser trochanter. Iliacal fossa and go to the lesser trochanter. Quadratus lumborum, L1, L5 is the in origin and go to the above lower border of T12 rib and lower and up lumbar 4 vertebrae. And then last transverse abdominis, same anterior abdominal muscles. Thoracolumbar fascia, lower 6 ribs, lateral anterior, lateral 1/3 of anterior iliac crest. Insertion is linea ambas referred to as pectinate pubic line. That's thank you. Now, next time we will cover some arterial supply, vascular supply of abdomen. Thank you.